Good morning, guys. Well, I don't know if you probably don't watch this in the morning, but what's up, guys? Salvadoran boy here, coming at you with another Friday video. Today is Sunday, and Sunday is really for us to really prepare for the week. Me and my wife work full-time jobs, and Sunday is we get to spend as much time with Salvadorian baby and as we can, and really prep for the whole week. This past maybe month or two, I've actually started I guess working around the house, if you want to call it that. I started with the air filter. I think I hadn't replaced that filter in about 6 months, maybe longer. Yeah, maybe longer. Yeah, and usually supposed to replace that every 3 months, and I have not been consistent on that. I'm gonna be doing stuff around the house. My main concern is really this grass before the HOA sends me a notice or a letter. I mean, everybody else's grass is looking a little dead, not just mine, but mine looks pretty bad. Even those plants are looking dead as well. But our main goal is to get this grass back to life, and yeah, usually every Sunday morning, we go get groceries. So yeah, let's go get the groceries. Just a little bit of an update on Blue. Blue is about to be 5 months next week. He's growing, he's getting really, really big. He hasn't started shedding, and I don't think that we're ready for the amount of hair that's going to be around the house. So we got to figure out a way to slow down the shedding process. We're pulling up at the local HEB here. We go do the curbside because with a kid, it's really hard to come get groceries later in the day, and it just takes a lot of time. So we order our food at night, we pick curbside, and we come pick it up. So now what I gotta do is text them that I am here. The parking spot is 709. 709, send it to them. Says, glad you're here. We will bring your order to you in just a moment. So now we just sit and wait.
Good morning.
Hello.
You here earlier?
I am, yeah.
I'm like, did you really just pull up the stairs early? Nah, you're good. Did you get the notification?
I did.
Is it okay?
Yeah, we're good. Right. So we order all our food at night. We go through the grocery list and everything, and we just order it. So now all I gotta do is go home. I got here in 5 minutes. My groceries were ready, so now we're going home, put them up, and forget about it. Forget about it. Let's go home. Need a good picture for my thumbnail. Sit. And just like that, we got our thumbnail for the video. Hopefully I end up using it. Now that we have the thumbnail, we can continue with the video. Let's go. Well, I think that'll do it for this video. I'm gonna finish watering this grass. Like I said, I've been trying to take care of stuff around the house. We got an exterminator to come out because my kid just saw bugs and stuff everywhere. So if you guys can suggest what I need to do different so I can bring my grass back to life. As you guys can see, there is what I think no change, and it's been about a week since I've been watering the grass constantly, and I don't know. Other than that, I think that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for giving it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for coming back to this new vlogging channel that I have. The bike will be back soon, I promise you guys, and yeah, don't forget, you guys are awesome. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. I need to figure out this grass situation later.